In this video, I'm going to show you a method that you can use to start driving traffic to your affiliate links and landing pages today and literally start getting commissions within the next few days. Some of the things I love about this method, the first one is that it's completely free. You will not have to spend a penny to make this method work for you. The second thing I love is that it's very easy to do. You don't need to have a lot of skills and you don't need to have a lot of experience in affiliate marketing or any kind of online marketing to make this work. And the third thing that I really love is once this starts working for you, it's very easy to outsource the entire method. So you can see right here, I've actually been using Bitly to track the links that I've been doing with this method. And you can see right here, I'm getting, on this video right here, I'm getting 1,000 clicks right here. You can see 827 clicks on this one right here, 257 up there. This one was a flop. Yes, I do flop sometimes. So I had a mentor a few years ago, and when he explained to me how online marketing worked and how to make quick money online, he said the easiest way to do it is to go out there and find where your traffic already exists and then just figure out how you can kind of get in as part of that.
I'm in.
So this method focuses on that idea. We're gonna find free traffic online that's highly targeted and highly interested, and we're gonna become part of this conversation, and we're gonna start hijacking that free traffic very, very quickly. So the first step that we're going to talk about in this training is that step where we start to find the traffic that we're looking for. Now to do that, we're going to use a tool called Ahrefs. I've used this in a ton of demos. The tool is insanely powerful for getting a good idea of basically the entire internet. But if you don't have enough money to pay for the tool, they have a $7 7-day trial, and you can do everything I'm showing you in that 7-day trial. So for $7, all of this can be done. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hop into Ahrefs and we're actually gonna go to Site Explorer. And this is where things get interesting. I promise we're not gonna be making a blog or anything like that, but we are gonna use this. We're gonna type in Quora.com. And if you're not familiar with Quora, you know, it's this giant question answer forum online, probably the biggest one that exists. And what we're specifically looking for is we want to see what Quora is ranking for in Google. So I did a really quick random search just so I could find some things, and Ben Shapiro height was one. You can see here, when I type in Ben Shapiro height, the first thing to show up is Quora right here. And this is the case for literally millions of searches online where Quora, or a Quora forum pretty much, has already shown up inside of Google. So after we site explore Quora, we're gonna need to do some really important filters. Otherwise, we're gonna spend 6 years trying to find the right data here. So we're gonna go to organic keywords. It's probably gonna say NA because the number's so big, but you can see right here, the number is about 29 million keywords that Quora is ranking for in Google. Now we need to narrow this down. So the first thing we need to do is we need to choose a niche. So you've got hopefully an affiliate product at this point. If you don't, that's totally fine. You can find the product after you start getting the traffic with this method. That's one of the cool things about it. So you're gonna hop in here, you're gonna type in include, and we're just gonna type in our niche. You could even type in your product. So I've done this with specific affiliate product names, and a lot of times Quora ranks for those, all kinds of things. But we're just gonna type in keto because that's the typical niche I use on YouTube videos. Don't ask me why, I have never touched keto in my life. Now you can see here, 18,000. We've lowered our number to 18,000 searches that we're gonna have to go through. We don't wanna do that, so we're gonna lower it some more. We're gonna go to position, and we're gonna say from position 1 to 5. This means, hey, what does Quora have ranking in the top 5 positions? We don't really care if Quora's ranking at spot 70. That's gonna be some really hard traffic for us to hijack. We've now dropped it all the way down to 508, and we're gonna cut it even a little bit more. We're gonna go to volume right here, and we're gonna say I usually say about 200 to 250. Is what we're looking for, meaning unless there's 200 to 300 people every month at least searching for this exact phrase, I don't want to see it. And now we're getting somewhere. Now we're able to start really seeing our opportunities a little better. You can see right here, keto hack reviews, speed keto reviews, how to take keto pills. These are all things you can type into Google, and Quora is one of the top 5 ranking sites for this particular keyword. Now, hopefully your wheels are spinning a little bit. Maybe you've been in the game for a while. Maybe you've been an affiliate marketer for a while. You're starting to see the potential of this. So the next step, now that we only have 26 to do, is we've got to figure out where the real opportunities are. So if these really are opportunities or not. Now you can see right here, all we got to do is click into it, and it's going to tell you how many people on Quora have answered that question, right? So we know that Quora ranks for keto hack reviews, and I actually would double check that. So I type in keto hack reviews right here and see, is it really spot 5? And what the heck, it totally is spot 5. So we know Quora's ranking, we know there's a lot of people searching for it, And now we've clicked into it, and what else do we know? We know that there's only one person inside of Quora that's even tried to answer this question. Now, to give you a little bit of context, I clicked on the next one, and it looks like 11 people have answered this question. You can see it just displays the answer in order, just like this right here. So even if you're not the first one, the second one's still gonna get some traffic as well. But I'm gonna tell you right now that a ton of Quora questions have hundreds and hundreds of answers. So it's really, really cool to see, hey, there's only one answer, one person to compete with, right? Or in this one, there's 11 other people. Oh, sorry, I switched it. There's one person to compete with and 11 people to compete with on this one. Now let's look back at this for a minute. Can you imagine how long it would take you to rank for keto hack reviews if you were just starting a blog or something like that? To start getting that traffic, that keto traffic, it would take you months or even years to get there. And now we've got this spot where, hey, Quora's already sitting there in the top 5 spots. And if you want to take the top spot in Quora, you're competing with one other person. Guys, this is opportunity that is knocking. Now, I do want to pause for a minute. We're going to suck up to that YouTube algorithm for a minute. If you feel like you've learned something, thumbs up, comment. Obviously, the best thing is for that subscribe. But show me some love there if you feel like you're starting to learn something here as we go. Okay, so we're back. We've got these 26 questions that we're going through that all seem like they've got some good opportunities, right? This is traffic that we can start working on hijacking. But the next thing is there's also traffic right here. So I'm not going to target this in this little tutorial, but any of these questions you know is also getting traffic because Quora is showing it as a related question. I promise you, if Quora is showing it as related, that's because people are clicking it and people are interested in it. But the next step for us is we've got to hijack this traffic. Okay, so we know this traffic is coming. We know there's hundreds of people coming to this Quora every month. How do we hijack the traffic? We simply need to be the best one on there. And you can see there's only 11 people or one person or 7 people, right? There's not a ton of competition anymore for us to beat out. So you need to write a better answer. And that means you need to write an answer that's got lots of images. Quora loves images. Users love images if they're useful images. A lot of my posts that I've done really well have had bullets in them or lists. So you've got these people and you've got to put yourself in their mind. What's going to give them the best experience? And that's getting them the answer as fast as possible. And one of the best ways to do that is putting it in a list. The third way that you can easily be the one to show up top is if you're the answer that gets to the point quicker. People don't like to read through a bunch of fluff before they get to the answer that they're looking for. And so if you can make your answer the one that really shines and really gives them the answer they're looking for quick, you're going to get upvotes, and upvotes means rank. And then the last thing is use some keywords, right? You know what they're looking for is speed keto a scam, for example. So use that phrase and little variations of that phrase multiple times throughout your article, and Quora will easily be able to tell that your article is about this exact question. I don't know why I keep saying article. It's more of a comment or a little post. So we've found the opportunity, we've taken the traffic, now we need to send them somewhere. Now, it's really important for you to understand, you can go direct here and just throw your affiliate link directly into your post, but you're gonna risk getting your Quora account deleted. So the best thing you can do here is send them anywhere else. So that could mean a YouTube video, that could mean a blog post, that could mean a landing page. So for example, with this keyword right here we're looking at, right, is speed keto a scam? You can easily make a YouTube video about speed keto. Then you go and you take this top spot, or you can do it in reverse order, whatever you want. But you take that and then you can go link and say, hey, I actually just made a full YouTube video on this exact thing. You can go watch it right here, but here's the gist of what I discovered in my learning process. Okay, that gives them on the first line, there's a call to action they can click and go watch the YouTube video instead. Most people prefer to watch a YouTube video, but you can do the same thing with a blog post, right? And then the video and the blog post have a call to action. So you can see right here an example call to action in my YouTube videos. You can see right here an example blog post that's got a really big call to action where as soon as they get in there, right, there's pop-ups and slide-ins and all kinds of things trying to capture emails, get them to buy affiliate products, all that kind of stuff. Now, one of the really cool things about Quora is you can see right here, you can click on this 3 dots and you can edit your answer. So if you don't have anything right now and you just kind of want to start posting content, you can go nuts posting your content. And then once something starts to actually show up and rank and do well, you can click edit your answer, and then you can go create the landing page or the video down the road. And I've done this on dozens of posts that I did where I just went back later and added a YouTube video or something to start capturing that traffic as well as provide more value to these questions. And if you start to rank for something and you don't really have an affiliate product that makes sense for that, all you got to do is go to clickbank.com right here. You can go to find products and you can type in something like keto, And now you've got multiple keto products that you can maybe test out and then start promoting to these people, whether it's in your YouTube video or your blog or whatever it is that you send them. So you find the traffic, hijack the traffic, add your links for the traffic to go to, and you monetize. Now, please do remember, this channel is all about affiliate marketing. I show you everything that I learn and that I do in my full-time affiliate marketing business. If you want to learn more, obviously you got to subscribe, and then there's a link down below to a lot deeper training on what I do. Thank you for watching.